let the story begin. We're going out on our first date. You and me are thrifty, so go all you can eat. Fill up.
Hi guys, welcome back. I hope you all are doing good. And so Valentine's Day is up, and we all know what's the significance and why this day is special for the loved ones. So I thought to make a video showing you my top few red lipsticks which gonna be pop up for your Valentine's Day. So all the shades are like my favorite one. So it's really hard for me to choose amongst them. So it's your call, whatever shade you like. I'm going to do a swatch on my hand and as well as on my lips, so that you can get a clear picture how it exactly looks. So let's get started. So I'm going to give you a close up only at the area I've applied lipstick. So these are my red lipsticks, and I'm a big fan of red lipsticks. So some of them are pure red, some are them from the red family. So let's get started. Okay, I'm really confused from where I can start. I'll start from the first lip shade, which is by Sugar, and this is one of my favorite lip shade. And this is how the packaging look like. This shade is so gorgeous. I mean, you really don't need any kind of makeup when you're applying this lip shade particularly, and I love this shade. So I'm gonna do a swatch first on back of my hand. This is so smooth and it really stays for a long day. So this is how the color look like. It's a very beautiful blood red color.
The club isn't the best place to find a lover, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friends at the table doing shots, drinking faster than we talk slow. Come on over and start up a conversation with just me and trust me.
So guys, this is the shade Scarlet O'Hara, and this is the hottest selling by Sugar, and I love it. Alright, so the second shade from my collection is the it's a lipstick by Nicka. It's a matte lipstick, and the shade is the wine berry. So this is kind of a wine berry shade. This is how the packaging look like. This is a very blood kind of a blood red color kind of a color, and this is how it looks on back of my hand. So this is the second shade. So the price for this, okay, I think I'm too much zoomed in, so whatever. So the price for this is 395 rupees, and this is quite affordable. The price for Sugar was 799. So yeah. So my third pick lip shade is by an LA girl, and this is in the shade Frisky, and this is how the packaging look like. It's a very blood red color. So it's a pure matte, and this stays for about 2 to 3 hours, and it does not spread all over your lips, because usually the semi matte lipstick or a creamy matte lipstick, they have the tendency to spread all over your lips, so it does not spread. So yeah, you can try it. Also, this is not transferable. Yeah, this is you can see how much it transferred. So that can be a good pick for you. So then moving on to other is my Victoria's Secret, and the shade is Desire, and I love this so much. I can't tell you why I love this. I love this freaking much. So this is how the packaging look like. It's a very beautiful matte packaging. And I got this from duty free and it costed me, I think, within 1000, I guess. Yeah, it was buy 2 get 1 free. So it costed me within 1000 rupees, so which was a steal deal. My face has become all red. I'm feeling like a monkey.
The club isn't the best place to find a lover, so the bar is where I
Smells so fresh, so fruity.
Doing shots, drinking faster than we talk slow. Come on over and start up a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now take my hand, stop, put the man on the jukebox, and then we start to dance.
Now let me see if it does transfer on my hand or not. Yeah, it does transfer, but it is still on my lips. So time for the next one. You guys really have to count because I can forget the counts. So the next is the PAC Retro Lip Pack Retro Matte Gloss by PAC Cosmetic, and this is how the packaging looks like. And the applicator is like usual. It is also very beautiful red color. Where do I swatch? Okay, I'm swatching it right away. This is how the color looks like. So I have already done a swatch on my lips for this lip shade, which you can see right here or there. So also I'm gonna post all the pictures, all the lip shades, and will link everything best possible for you all guys. Shade number 17, if it is visible to you all. No, it's not visible, so this is in shade number 17. Before going further, I'm gonna first clean all this stuff and come back. So the next lip shade in my collection of red family is by LA Color. So if you're mistaken, LA Girl is different and LA Color is different. So this is by LA Color matte liquid lipstick, and this is in shade, what shade you are in? Danger. So this is in shade Danger, and this is how it looks like. And this is again a beautiful matte burgundy kind of a color.
The club isn't the best place to find a lover, so the bar is where I go.
It has a tint of, brownish color in it. And it takes time, I guess it takes time to dry it out because it's still, not completely dry on back of my hand. Also, one more tip guys, which I learned when I was swatching, when I was testing the lip shades. With the matte lip shade, you really have to do like this. Don't do this because it will transfer and the exact color will not ever shown.
For somebody like me, come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on.
So the next lip shade I have from Inglot, and this is in the shade number 409. And so I tell you one thing guys, I am not in favor of Inglot lipsticks because it's too dry. I mean, it looks so flattering in pictures and everything, but it is so dry on your lips, especially for the person who already has a dry lips. So it did not work for me, and I think I wasted my 1000 or 1000 bucks on it. This is how, I don't know if you can judge or not. So this is the halat of this, and it is so matte, and this is so dry. I mean, oh god, it needs a lot of pressure. I think I'm gonna do some DIY with this. so I'm sorry about the application because it's so dry and it is not at all blendable. So next I have my most favorite one. It's by KIKO MILANO and I intentionally bought it for Christmas and for Valentine purpose, and I love this. I mean, I have got so many compliments with this. So this is the outer packaging. It matches my background on my dress as well. Also, if you haven't seen my KIKO MILANO Christmas haul, which I uploaded on Instagram, you can please watch that. I will link in the description box. It has a KIKO MILANO is very popular and very famous for its packaging, and I go mad when I enter into KIKO MILANO. This is in the shade number 03, and this is what I call a pure blood red color.
Although my heart is falling too, I'm in love with your body. And last night you were in my room, and now my bed.
So that's all for today, guys. I hope you really like this video. I hope it's helpful for you. Also, if I have to pick my favorite lip shades among all them, this is the Sugar one, the first one I applied. Then this is the Velvet Matte by Victoria's Secret, and the last one I've applied is this. So I personally prefer a lip liner over lipstick because it really fills the corners of your lips. So I completely love the lip liners, and this is a pure perfect red shade for your Valentine Day. So if you like this video, guys, please give it a thumbs up and do not forget to, you know what I mean, right?